to help us understand the instruction of taking the thigh bones back. So you'll need a block and a space at a wall. We're going to place the block at the top of the leg in the back, just below the buttocks. So at the crease of the buttocks is where the block will start and then extend down the leg. So stand with your back at the wall and place your heels an inch or two away from the wall. Separate your feet several inches apart and line the outside edge of the right foot to the short edge of the mat. Place the block behind the top of the right thigh and shift a little bit so that you bring your weight onto your right foot. Very strongly press the right thigh bone into the block to hold the block in place, and using that leg to hold the block in place, lift the left knee up. Breathe and concentrate on using the top of the right thigh bone pushing into the block to hold the block in place. Then place the left foot down. Again, the heel an inch or two away from the wall and the outside edge of the left foot in line with the short edge of the mat. Place the block at the top of the left thigh bone, just under the crease of the buttocks, and then pressing that thigh bone back, transfer the weight onto the left foot and lift the right knee up. Hold and breathe. To refine the action, spin the inner edge of the leg a bit more in toward the block so that you're engaging the inner thigh muscles in holding the block in place. And then exhale, bring the right foot down. This work translates directly into the lateral standing poses. It translates into all the poses, but in particular, we can use the block to understand that action in the lateral standing poses, which are Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose, Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2, and Utthita Parshvakonasana, extended side angle. So with your back at the wall, step your feet really wide apart. Turn the left foot slightly in, rotate the right leg and foot out. So your left heel can be right at the wall or just slightly away from the wall. And then you place the block as you had it a moment ago. So at the top of the thigh, just underneath the buttocks. And then you very strongly press that thigh bone into the block to hold the block in place. Again, you can spin the inner thigh more toward the wall, stretch the arms out, inhale. And then as you exhale, hold the block in place as you come over into Utthita Trikonasana triangle pose. Breathe and feel the work in the leg, the left leg, holding the block in place. And then inhale, come up, hold the block, release, turning the feet. And then you would do the other side. We're gonna do Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2, for demonstration. So again, you would place the block in the same place, just under the buttocks crease at the top of the right thigh. Inhale, stretch the arms out. You may have to hold the block in place as you bend the left knee, to keep the block in the correct position. And then hold the block in place with the strength of the right thigh bone moving back in toward the wall. Breathe. Hold the block with your hand, inhale, come up, exhale, turn the feet. And then same thing for the last pose we'll look at today. So coming back to the right for me, turn the right leg and foot out, the left foot slightly in, Utthita Parshvakonasana. Again, you may have to hold the block in place. Exhale, bend the right knee deeply. Push very strongly the top of the right thigh bone top of the left thigh bone into the block. Turn the right knee toward the third toe. Bring your right forearm to your leg. Stretch your left arm up. You can stay here, or you could use a block or touch the ground to take the right hand down. That's not so important because we're really using this to focus on how we're keeping the block from slipping using the left thigh bone work. So now pushing into the feet, inhale, come up, turn the feet, hold the block, step the feet together. Happy practicing. Thank you.